Hi guys, so in this video we are going to solve the lead code problem. I have filtered array problems and I have sorted the difficulty with easy and it's sorted in acceptance rate. The highly acceptance rate will be a top and it goes to bottom with least acceptance rates. So let's solve this problem. Let's see what is the problem statement. Find minimum operations to make all the elements divisible by 3. Okay, so we have to find the minimum operations to make all the elements divisible by 3. Let's see, you are given an integer array nums. In one operation, you can add or subtract 1 from any element of the nums. Okay, in one operation, you can either add or subtract 1 from any element of the nums. Return the minimum number of operations to make all the elements of nums divisible by 3. Okay, so we have to make all the elements of the array divisible by 3, but in the minimum operation. In one operation you can add or subtract 1 actually. So in this case, let's go with an example. We have numbers 1 2 3 4 and here the minimal operation is 3. So the explanation they have given is all array elements can be made divisible by 3 using 3 operation. Subtract 1 from 1, add 1 to 2, add 1 to 2, subtract 1 from 4. Okay, so for 1 what they are doing is they are subtracting 1 from 1, and for 2 they are adding 1. 2 plus 1 3, 3 is divisible by 3. For 3 it's already 3, so it's divisible by 3. For 4 they are subtracting 1 actually. So the minimal number of operation is 3. Okay, so in this case the minimum number of operation is actually 0 because everything is divisible by 3. Let's see how to solve this problem. So for me also this is the first time I'm solving this problem. Let's think how to solve this. So let's get the size of the array. Nums dot length will give the size. Now I am looping each element in the array. Fine. Now I am checking if nums dot I percentage 3 equal to 0, which means is if it is divisible by 5, then I don't need to do anything, right? But if it is not divisible by 5, what I have to do? If it is not divisible by 5, I have to check whether we can add any operation to make it divisible by 3. So what we can do, we can take this case and we can see whether that number is nearer to 0 or it is nearer to, whether we can subtract it or whether we can add it. So what we can do here, 1 minus 0, how we can get that 1 minus 1 actually? Like 1 plus 1, again we have to do plus 1, right? To make it divisible by 3. So what I'm doing is, if nums dot I percentage 3 not equal to 0, I have to see if nums dot I minus 1 percentage 3 equal to 0. So I'm just checking if minus 1 makes it 0. If minus 1 makes it 0, then I'm trying to increase the count. So we can define count as 0 here. We can add the count. Okay, then with semicolon. Then not equal to should be written like this. The syntax is wrong. This is correct now. Then we have to see if nums dot I plus 1. Okay, either that number can be added with plus 1. Suppose let's say 2 in our case. 2 2 minus 1, if you do, the answer is 1. 1 percentage 3. That is not divisible actually. But 2 plus 1, 3, which is divisible by 3. So for 2 plus 1 will be nearer, right? For 2 plus 1 will be nearer, and for 1 minus 1 will be nearer. So either if it is plus 1 or minus 1, I am trying to increase the count plus plus. So I guess this should work. Return count. So it's saying wrong answer. Output is 1 but expectation is 3. Okay, let's take 1, 2, 3, 4 itself as example. First we will get 1, and 1 percentage 3 whether it's not equal to 0. Yeah, it is not equal to 0. So we are trying to do minus 1. So 0 percentage 3, 0, 0 percentage 3 equal to 0 only. So it should be count plus plus. We can write if case actually, else case for this instead of if. Else if, because it has a condition. Again we got a wrong answer. Output is 1 but expected is 3. What issue we are making here? So initially 1 will come. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 percent is 3 equal to 0, which will increase the count. Then 2 will come. 2 minus 1 percentage 3 equal to 0. If this condition won't execute, so it will go to else if plus 1 percentage 3 is 0. So the count will be incremented. Again for 3 it will come. It won't increment the count because 3 is already divided by 3. For 4, 4 minus 1. It's already 4 minus 1, 3, 3 percentage 3 equal to 0. So let's ask ChatGPT to fix error in this because I'm not sure how to fix this. Identify issue in this. So we haven't given the question itself, but it's trying to understand. So operator precedence is an issue now. We have given like numbers I plus 1 percentage 3. So let's see how they are fixing it. So we have to give a brace. If we give a brace, then it should work. Let's give the brace and check. It's a simple brace issue, but that didn't give the output right. Again, the output is true, but expectation is 3. So here we have to give brace. Yeah, finally we got the output. Let's submit it. Yeah, runtime 0 beats 100 percentage, memory beats 7.38 percentage. Since we have used count and n, the memory utilization is high. That's it, guys.